Exela stock, Exela Technologies reported today, Tuesday, the 27th of July 2021, that record news sign-ups from its digital mailroom and DrySign offerings were up 99% and 144% year over year in Q2, respectively. And the digital business process automation company rolled out its DrySign service in India and its digital mailroom in the UK in Q2. It plans to launch digital mailroom in France and Germany. And in Q3, the company said in a statement. Technically, Exela appears to be trading within a longer-term bullish trend. Although its MACD is presently below the signal line, shares are currently 43.1% above an upward sloping 200-day moving average. Comparative relative strength analysis showed it's outperforming the S&P 500. Momentum for Exela is strongly bearish. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is below 20, the level which many analysts call oversold. This means that investors have been actively selling shares and driving the price lower, but that figure may gradually be improving with the 1 minute live model or the much more narrower models. So, but we are looking at the daily model, so it's still indicating it's oversold. The last 10 days have seen significant volume in Exela, with average daily volume above the average for the last year. Today's volume is no exception, with 108.226 million shares having been traded already in this session of the 27th of July 2021. The unbalanced volume indicator is bullish. The slope of that indicator is positive and suggests that buyers are presently more active than sellers. The Bollinger Bands are presently wider than usual as a result of greater than normal volatility that accompanied the recent price move. Events such as this may precede a pause or reversal in the near-term trend. And then it has a 10-day historical volatility of 230.4%. And then when it comes to the short figures, the short percent of float according to shortsqueeze.com is 36.12%. Short percent increase is 140%. It just recently increased by 140%. And short interest, the number of shares is 8.34 million shares. So given that short interest it has, and all of these positive news now, one would expect that some short squeeze will be gradually happening. I mean, anything at all, any news is positive for the stock because it will force some people to close their short positions. But short squeezes must not always be the ones that will take it up by 100%. So indeed, what we're looking at right now may be some sort of squeeze, but whether it is or not, the stock is up 9.65%. Before we started this, it was up slightly more than that. So all in all, I think it's now currently trading below. It's even with all of these, it's still trading at a discount to some of its short-term moving averages. If you want to get involved with Exela, by all means, go ahead and do a further due diligence. But technically, I think it's looking okay. It's a decent buy. We don't have any position there, and the price is also attractive as well, not up to $3. So if you want to get involved, by all means, see what you can make of it, and let's go from there. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video.